We're going to do a brief video on meta stock analysis. We've got a daily chart here for you with a 200-day moving average in blue, a 20-day moving average in red, and a green 5-day moving average. Meta is down 5%, down $7, currently trading at $130.43. Volume's 25 million shares roughly. Average daily volume's 30 million shares. It's about 130 on the 26th of October. Let's take a quick look at this stock. Meta's been in a bear market since January of 2022 and has not managed to stage much of a rally at all during that entire time. Got oversold here in the spring in March 22 and rallied up, and it's not really oversold right this minute. So it's basically, if we expand this, what we can see with Meta's in a trading range, has been in a trading range. Really, we can count all the way back here till the end of September. So pretty much almost the whole month of October, it's been in a trading range and put in a slightly higher high at 138.35 yesterday, and closed above the 20-day moving average, which would normally be significant, but this 20-day moving average is still headed down. It's not even flat yet, and the 5 days flat. So Meta is trying to put in a bottom here, and it may have done it on October 13th at 122.53, but it's still not, it's not putting in a convincing case yet to me that it's put in a bottom, and I'll tell you why. They're selling it off the second it rallies, and you can see in this first little rally here, they sold it down. They've sold it down again today when it made a new high yesterday. So making new highs and then plummeting is always a sign at the bottom of a market that people are just dumping stock as best they can to get out, and it means they don't have good feeling. In my opinion, it means they don't have a good feeling with the stock going forward. So that's the negatives. The positives are that the stock is not super oversold, which is not a positive necessarily or a negative, but it's an indicative that the stock's probably got a while to go before it does anything serious. This stock has to either plummet down, say to 105-ish, to get people interested, or it's got to get some serious buying power behind it and push it up to 150 before you can then take it and try to move it above the 200-day moving average, which right now is 192. So my analysis of Meta right this second, for entertainment purposes only, is that this stock's got to move one way or the other to then continue to advance. And as I said, the stock looks like not dead money. You can day trade it. I don't recommend it, but it's not really aggressive in its movement. Here we are on a 200-hour moving average, and you can see it's flirting with a 200-hour moving average in blue for the first time since September 22nd. So for a month, it's been below. That's pretty negative for a stock, but the fact that it is flirting with it and trying to get above it is a slight positive. However, it sold off as soon as it hit it, and that's really the issue I'm trying to raise. When this stock rallies, they sell the heck out of it, and that movement right there is 138 down to 130. That's $8. So that's clearly people liquidating, probably losing long positions that they put on right here in this early October range. So people are still trying to pick a bottom in the stock, and they don't believe they've successfully done it yet. However, they could be wrong. If this bottom here of this intraday bottom of 126.18 holds, then you can expect a rally in this stock up to about 140 at a minimum to get it above this 200-hour moving average. So that's my best guess for the hourly. Let's take a look real quick for entertainment purposes only at the weekly. You can see on a weekly it's a much different story. 200-week moving average in blue, huge bear market for Meta. 20-week moving average below that and flirting with the 5-week moving average. Just a horrible situation for Meta from a long-term perspective. Just bouncing off against its December 18 lows of 123.42, and that 123.42 is doesn't look like it 123.42. It looks like it already exceeded that. It looks already it went down below that. So yeah, it made a new low here. It looks like the week of October 10th, it made a new low at 122.53. So the weekly chart is extremely negative, I would say, for Meta. Again, all in my opinion, for entertainment purposes only, it does not look good on a longer-term basis for Meta because there's just no support for it until you get probably right here at $72. I'm not predicting $72, but it doesn't look good. Let's go down and take a look and see what RBM Research says about Meta. Let's just plug it in. Go to Facebook on here. We're looking for algorithmically generated prices for Facebook today. They're putting nothing on here, and that's good because the stock is down $7 or 5%, so it hit it properly there. Let's go down and take a look at our 30-day trend following system and see if we have anything there for Facebook, and we don't. We're not following. So we have no entry prices. We put out 190 plus entry prices every day for 190 different stocks, but we don't have anything for Meta today. It said it was not a good day to buy, and it was correct. So you can get access to the 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all by heading over to rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. Free access, no credit card required, and you'll have access to everything we put out by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including my commentary and entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.